Just want to take a quick tour of my garden. This is the last day of June. Let's see how it's all going. Cucumbers are blooming. I didn't plant a lot of them this year because I still got plenty of pickles and relish. These will be for table eating. And watermelon plant that I planted in a bucket, it's doing excellent. And let's go over here. A few zucchini plants I planted in a tote. They're doing good. They're starting to spread, so that's a good sign. And over here are my ever slow growing cantaloupes. Never had any luck with them. Keep trying until I get it right. And then we have our pepper plant. I think I got a little pepper somewhere. I saw it the other day. Where are you at, pepper? Oh well, oh, there it is. Yep, our first pepper. And then there's more. Over at the side of the fence, I planted some okra this year. If you notice, I didn't plant any green beans this year because I still got like 100 yards of them. So I figured I'd better finish those off first. Okay, and here's some pathetic looking cabbage, slow growing. One's starting to get ahead. Now I got some in the backyard in a flower pot that's doing a lot better than these. And here's all my tomato plants. They're getting big. Tomato plants. I love tomatoes. I'll be making spaghetti sauce and pizza sauce again this year. Husband likes making homemade pizza, so homemade spaghetti sauce. Pizza sauce to go with them. Look at this plant here. It's just covered with them. Little green tomatoes, and a big one over here. Okay, let's go this way. Said they're doing really good this year. We don't have a lot of land, so we just improvise with what we got. When the kids were little, we didn't have a garden at all because of all their play equipment. Now this is my pumpkin plant. I want it to get bigger before it starts producing pumpkins, so I'm pulling off the long blooms. Okay, here's a big okra plant. All this whole line here. Okay. Anyway, more pepper plants, all got blooms and stuff, so I'm doing pretty good. Oh, look at that. New little pepper. Doing really good. Let's go over here and show you my blackberries. It's the second year that they've been planted. Look how big those suckers are. Yeah. So I should be able to get me a nice... missed a couple of blackberries this morning. That's okay. I'll pick them later. Anyway, it's really doing good. We're hoping that it spreads this whole side of the fence eventually. And it's doing a pretty good job of spreading. Alright. I'll take you over here. Show you my potato plant. Here's my potato patch. They're doing good. So we'll have potatoes again this year. And there's a couple row tomato plants. I just left them in a pot. They're doing okay. They're surviving. And here's some other ones that not so good. But I think the chicken's gotten these and scratched around on them, so that's okay. In this pot here, my beets are doing good. I didn't plant a lot because me and my husband's the only one that eats them, but that's good. And head lettuce, hoping that I'll do good. First year of growing head lettuce. And this is my pride and my joy. It's underneath the net right now because of the beetles, but it's getting a big head on. It's got a big head on. It keeps growing. This one over here looks like it went kind of crazy. It's got 2 or 3 heads. I'm gonna let it go and see how it pans out. And here are my grapevines this year. Beetles had a fun day with eating the leaves. We trimmed it back some, but these are purple. These will be purple when they ripen. They're just covered with, we're going to trim this out in the fall and make it better. But anyway, that's my garden this year, 2024, the end of June. Thanks for watching. Give me a like.